Hi guys, so we're starting with a fresh face, and firstly I just like to brush the hairs upwards so that I can see more clearly where I'm filling in my brows and the gaps. And using my stud eyebrow pencil from MAC, I'm just going in and doing upward hair-like strokes of hair just so that my brows look nice and fluffy and hair-like. And I'm like to go in with my spoolie just to brush it through a little bit more to diffuse the colour, as I don't like it to look too harsh. Using a flat brush and my MAC Prolongwear concealer in NC45, I'm starting off at the front of the brows and slowly carving away any mistakes that I may have made and making my brows nice and sharp. And I like to drag that all the way to the end and bring the concealer downwards so that it's easier for me to blend when I go in to blend it out as well. And as you can see, I'm doing exactly the same on the other side, starting off at the front and then just dragging that concealer and just correcting any mistakes so that it's nice and sharp at the bottom, dragging it down, and then using my 224 MAC brush, I'm just blending that away, as you can see in this clip. And just to make them even more sharp, you don't have to do this bit, I like to conceal the top half as well, and I do this before I do my foundation. Now my foundation's on, as you can see. I'm going back in with my spoolie and I'm just brushing away at the top of the brows just so that it's not too harsh looking. And with the stud eyebrow pencil again, I'm going in at the front of my brows just to add in a little bit more hair strokes so that it looks nice and fluffy. And using any mascara of your choice, I use any black mascara that I can find. In this clip I've used the In Extreme Dimension. I just go in and use that to set my brows, and this is how they look at the end. I hope you enjoyed that. I'll see you again in my next video, and don't forget to comment, like and subscribe.